Good morning, Kipsters. I hope everybody's doing great. Welcome to week 2 of physical education with Mr. Flores. This week, I'm super excited. This is what we have lined up. So without further ado, let's jump right into what we have planned for today. First and foremost, we're always going to start off with our agenda. And our agenda, we have our social emotional learning lesson. And remember, we're going to focus on this for like 1 or 2 minutes, and that'll be the next slide. Then we're going to talk about the digestive system. And then after that, we're going to go into our workout/exercise. Real quick, our materials. You will need a pencil, paper, a towel, and a water bottle so we can stay nice and hydrated. We learned last week about the importance of your heart pumping and how it pumps when we're working out. So remember, it's important to stay hydrated and be able to cool your heart down whenever you get the blood flowing and the blood pumping. Objectives for today. Kipsters will be able to learn and to describe the digestive systems. Kipsters will be able to complete a set of exercises. I'm going to make it a little bit more challenging this week for you, so I hope you're ready. And then the big question, everybody tap your thinking brains. The big question this week is, why is your digestive system important? So as we move throughout our learning segment today, I need you to think about, why is your digestive system important? Lock that question in your brain in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. We're going to move on. Oop. And again, as we said, and as I told you friends last week, our mantra for excellence this year, you've heard it in your other classes, in your art and all the other wonderful classes. Our mantra is something that we're going to see and hear every week. So again, just like we did last week, we're going to bring it back this week and so on and so forth. But this time, we're going to zoom in on something, and I'll tell you in a few. All right, we're going to start. Respect what's mine. Respect what's not. Respect all time. Respect all thought. Work hard and try your best. Take heart and shake the stress. Be kind and never give up. Rain or shine, I am enough. Awesome. Real quick, everybody send yourself some love. Beautiful. Now, as I said a few seconds ago, we are going to zoom into something important in our mantra. This week, we're going to zoom in into the first line, and that is respect what's mine. All right? And that is what this means. Respect and love your own body, mind, and personal things. Again, respect what's mine. Respect and love your own body, mind, and personal things. All right? We're going to move on. All right, Kipsters, focus in on respect what is mine. Remember, materials, for example, Mr. Flores, when we were back at school, Mr. Flores' materials that were mine and also for you at school so that we could use were things like the jump rope, when we played basketball, using our basketball, and Mr. Flores' backpack. These are the things that are mine and that are yours. And if we don't share them and we don't respect them and take care of them, then we won't be able to use them when we get back to the school. Or we won't be able to have them for the kiddos that come next year, right? For our friends that are in first grade that are going to go to second grade. So it's important that we take care of the things that we love and care about so like that other people can enjoy and other people can use. Now, I want everybody to tap their thinking caps. Oh, I see a lot of friends tapping the thinking caps. And I want you to think, what is something that you have at home that you respect and that you would like for others to respect? As I said before, some of our stuff at school, like our gym, our jump ropes, our basketball, my backpack, those are things that are mine, but also that are yours because we all share them. Now, I want you to think again, what is something that you have at home that you respect, but that you also want your brothers, your cousins, someone you love that lives with you to respect at home? All right, I want you to think. We're going to think for 30 seconds. You're thinking. All right, we're going to move on. Again, this is why respecting what is yours is very important, because whatever it is that you thought about, you always want to make sure that maybe someone else can enjoy it or that you can enjoy it for a very, very long time. And as I said earlier, we're going to move on to learning about our digestive system and what it is and what it does for your body. And remember, the big question we had, and that I shared with you at the beginning of class, is why is the digestive system important? Last week we learned about why your heart is important, right? Your heart keeps your body moving. Your heart keeps, everything in your body working. But now we're going to learn about the digestive system. And remember, the big question is, why is it important? Okay?
With Chloe and the Nerve. I see your gallstones and raise you 4 tonsils. Cow, what you got? Read 'em and weep. A pair of kidneys. Well, filter my trash. Too bad for you, I have a straight set of teeth. Stupid good-for-nothing cards. I curse the day I bought you. Double or nothing?
Nerve, did you eat chili again?
That's not me, Chloe.
Nerve, let's get out of here!
I can't. I'm paralyzed with fear. Chloe, wake up.
What? Where are we?
We're in the mouth, the gateway to the digestive system.
The digestive system?
Yup, it takes the food you eat, breaks it down, and turns it into energy you can use. It's trying to break us down into tiny pieces as we speak.
Very, very important right now, friends.
That's why we're wearing these.
I want you to think. They just shared with us why the digestive system is important and what we do with the food that we eat and what it gives to us. All right? We just heard it. Let's keep learning.
Spiffy anti-digestive suits.
Nerve, what's this goop on my arm?
Oh, that's saliva. As soon as you take a bite of food, digestion begins. Saliva contains things called enzymes that start breaking down food immediately. Looks like we're in the esophagus, a tube that runs from your mouth to the stomach.
Ouch!
Oh, happy day! Food! Now we can watch it be digested.
Lucky us.
Look at the food! Look at it! Right here in the stomach. Gastric juices are starting to break it down. It's amazing!
Gastric juices?
Yes, sirree. Gastric juice isn't like orange or grape juice. Your stomach secretes a mix of.
So we just learned, friends, another very important term. Gastric juices. Say it with me. It's a tongue twister. Gastric juices. Now, we're thinking about what we're going to learn today. Remember, the digestive system is important because gastric juices help break down the food you eat to give you energy to be able to run and to jump and to read and to be able to do things that you enjoy doing. Let's keep listening into what other things gastric juices do for our body and the digestive system.
Acid and enzymes that start digesting the food you eat. The stomach also churns the partially digested food, turning it into a lovely, liquidy mush. Then the food moves into the small intestine. Bye-bye, handsome.
Handsome? That combo of chewed up food and gastric juices was gross.
Well, then you're gross.
Excuse me?
Whoa, you've seen this combo of chewed up food and gastric juices erupt from your own body if you've ever thrown up.
Oh, I have seen that before.
Nerve vomit sparkles with all the colors of the rainbow.
I think it's time to move on to the small intestine.
Here we are. The first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum, and it's where liquefied food goes next. Duodenum, duodenum, duodenum. There are more digestive juices found here, like bile. Bile is made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder until your body needs it. Bile and enzymes from the pancreas break down the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It's here that the body absorbs the vitamins and minerals from the food.
Wow, friends. So what we just heard is when your body, or when food and the things that you eat get to this part of your body, this is where all the stuff begins to really break down, and what your body needs is going to start taking it. So if you need the protein is very important because it helps you build your muscles and get big muscles. Your body starts to break whatever it ate down and takes it away, so like that it can help your body grow and develop.
Welcome to the large intestine.
Hold on. If the small intestine does all of that, why do we even need a large intestine?
Oh, my dear Chloe, of course you need a large intestine. The large intestine has an important job: to absorb water and salt.
So, what's left?
At the end of the digestive process, anything that hasn't been absorbed is considered waste, which your body doesn't need. In other words, poop.
Nerve, what's that sound?
Run!
How am I going to tell my diary about this?
Just say, today me and my best buddy Nerve went on a journey through the digestive system, and we had the time of our lives.
Okay.
Awesome job, friends. So from our video, we just learned about what the digestive system is, but how it works. And it's very important to remember and think that whatever you put in your body, food, and the things that you drink, your body's going to use it. And it's going to take everything that it needs, like the protein and the nutrients and the vitamins and all those good and important things, to then build energy within you, but to also help you grow again, so you can be strong and you can have energy, and so that you can be healthy. So remember, the next time you eat something, I want you to tell yourself, is this something that I should be eating? Does it have a lot of sugar? Is it something that's healthy? Because whether you like it or not, your body's gonna tell you later that this was good for me, or maybe if you get an upset stomach, it wasn't good for you. All right, friends. So now we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the second part of our time, and we're gonna go and find a space in your house or outside where we can do some of the exercises we did last week, but I'm gonna add some other ones that are gonna make it harder this week. So I hope you're ready. Remember, you might need a paper towel, some water, and a lot of energy, so like that we can complete this workout. So I'll see you friends soon.